Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about charts. So, in previous video, we talk about Helm, why we use Helm, and all the things about Helm we have covered so far. Today, let's directly jump to the chart. And chart is basically a package format how we can package our Kubernetes cluster. And this there will be we have one structure. This could be the we can say the project structure, we can say. Okay, like we have a project structure in Spring Boot. Okay, and here in charts also we have a project structure like this. Okay, so I'll not read this theory and all. I'll share this link to you and you can directly read it. But let's start with the implementation, how we can make it. So without wasting the time, let's start with the implementation. So how we can create a chart? Basically, you just need to go to the terminal first. Okay. So whether you are using Windows operating system, Mac, Linux, whatever, you just need to go to the terminal. Okay. Hope you can see my terminal here. Now I'll create one directory here, which is, let's suppose, Helm version 1. Okay. So this will be my directory. Let me go inside. And inside that, I'll create one chart. Okay. This is basically our first chart. What is the command? Helm create my first chart. So very fast it is. It has been created. Chart has been created. Now let's see. Let's go to the directory here. Yeah, Helm version 1. This is the our directory and my first chart. Let's open this chart inside our Visual Studio Code. I'll put this command into the description. Okay, so don't need to worry. This is the chart we have. See the structure. So this is a auto generate structure. Once I have written the command on the terminal, which is helm create my first chart. So my first chart has been created with two folders. One is chart folder and second is template folder. And we have one YAML file which is chart. This YAML file contains the information of about chart. Okay, and the values will be all the values which you will put of your pod services and deployment. Okay, and inside template folder you will have all your YAML file. Like in if you have watched my previous videos where I have given you overview of Kubernetes cluster from the Spring Boot application, how you can create a Kubernetes cluster, and inside how you can write the YAML file uh, for services and deployment we have created. Now those services we need to put inside our charts. Okay, basically, so what I'll do is we'll add those. So in upcoming videos, what we will consider, we will take one Spring Boot application, then we'll uh, convert into the cluster which we already did in our previous video. Now that cluster we will move to that this chart. Okay, so hope you know why we are using Helm. If you haven't watched my previous video, you can go watch it and then come back to this video and create the Helm for those Kubernetes clusters which we have created previously. Okay, so these are some of the values which it take care. And test is basically I'll let you know in the next videos how we can test our charts. After creating chart, we need to test also whether you have created correctly or not. So this is basically a small structure. And if you can go here in chart, They also mention like all the things. Okay, if you can read this chart.yaml, the YAML file contain information about the chart. Then license, we have a plain text file containing the license of the chart. And reading file, values.yaml, the default configuration value of your chart, of this chart. Okay, sorry. And then this chart folder, then create folder, template folder, this directory of template that when combined with values, okay, will generate valid Kubernetes manifest file. Okay. So the three things are very important here: chart.yaml, values.yaml, and templates folder. Okay. So I'll add this uh, official website link into the description box. Also, I'll add the command how we can create a chart. Okay. So hope you understood the concept and yeah. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.